This video, we're going to take a look at sort of the assembly that needs to happen before you start making the bag. Now, we've talked about the fact that you needed to cut some of your foam, and that's to give body to the bag. You need it on the side panels and the back panel. Or I think this maybe we called side panel and then the main. So these are the only panels that are going to need it. So if I just set these aside just a minute, this one needs foam, this one needs foam, and this one. Only 3. The rest do not need to have foam. If you're using a stabilizer, that's fine too, if you have access to that. So what I just want to demonstrate first is marrying them up. You're going to lay out your outer piece of fabric, put your foam on it. And don't worry if they aren't cut exactly the same, but get them placed on top of each other. Let's see, this might be easier. Foam is a little bit sticky. Okay, and once we have that one, flip it, we'll lay the other one on there. Then what you're going to do, we do need to stabilize, like basically merge them into being one unit. So we can, you could start by sewing on the interior, but I can tell you it's not going to go well. So better is to come and sew very, very close to the edge on the machine. So I did pin in key locations. Then I came and I sewed all the way around, right next to the edge. Occasionally you'll miss it in some places. Don't worry about it too much. You can always go back. Once you've done that, then you can start to quilt the interior, or stabilize it is what we're doing. And I wanted to show you that you have some options when you're doing that on your fabric. Here we just went in straight stitching. And then I'm showing you here, on this side you can see it better, but if I flip it, what I was doing was following the design in the fabric. You just mainly have to do it with some close proximity. It doesn't, here we've got, some implied consistency. That's really not the thing that matters. What matters is that these two fabrics and foam become one unit. So however you want to do that, some people would just do swirly. If you look it up on YouTube, you'll find all sorts of options, but it needs to be done. It's going to be easier if you have done this step first. So stitch all the way around, then do that.